right, well, President Obama tonight expected to say we have the duty to provide health care to everyone. Radio talk show host Herman Cain says we have a duty not to do this. Herman, your argument is that a bad package, isn't better than no package.
Exactly. First, if they were working on the right problem with the right solution, they could get the bipartisan support that they keep harping on. And the fact of the matter is, Senator McConnell was quoted this weekend, who nailed it. It's about the substance that people is upset. It's the substance that the opposition is objecting to.
We're talking about Mitch McConnell, the Senate Minority Leader, who was saying essentially earlier today, let's start from scratch.
Let's start from scratch. I agree with that. In business and in anything that you want to do right, start with defining the right problem. We don't have 50 million uninsured people that are chronically uninsured. We might have 10 million. So why do you saddle the other 296 million people in this country with a massive overhaul that is not solving the problem that they think that they're saying they want to solve? It's not working on the right problem, Neil.
What do you think, Herman, of this notion that in order to bring over wayward Democrats, more moderate Democrats, blue dog Democrats, you do something like hold off on the public option? It's neither yes or no right now, but it's just held off.
They need to hold off on the public option, but here's what you don't hear about. The Republicans offered H.R. 3400, which has a number of market-driven solutions that would really work on the right problem, and you won't need that public option.
They say the markets have failed us. They say private solutions have failed us. We had Anthony Weiner here earlier, the congressman from New York, very smart chap, who was saying, look, there's greater efficiency in Medicare.
They say that the market has failed us, but what they don't say is that they have failed to give the market the things that would make the market work the way it should. Expanded HSA, level the playing field with respect to deductibility, and do something about tort reform. If they, meaning the Democrats and the Republicans together, had addressed those three issues alone, the market would perform a whole lot better.
What if Republicans get no other rap? This isn't true across the board, but for being the party of no. Even Mitch McConnell said that's a mistake, that health care should be reformed in this country. But there is a danger in the public eye, right, that Republicans will just be known as the party oppose, 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 oppose.
That is a political risk, but I would rather see the Republican Party be labeled as the party of no for the wrong solution than to be the party of go along just to get along, so they won't be labeled as a party. It's the wrong approach, the wrong so-called solution for the wrong problem that they claim that they're trying to solve. That's the biggest frustration.
People don't know that you were a corporate titan in your day. It's where you took a pay cut and went to radio.
I was a little titan.
A little titan. Well, you were okay. But you know what it takes to sort of razz the troops and get them into it. The president in this building behind us has to razz the troops, largely Democrats who are increasingly balking right now. What does he have to do for them? What does he have to do for the audience watching?
What he has to do for the audience that's watching, and I hate to be skeptical, is to say something that hasn't been said that can be a game changer. And I don't anticipate that. I anticipate another speech with a different flavor Kool-Aid to try to get people to swallow it, to be perfectly honest. I hope he says, let's do serious tort reform. Let's expand health savings accounts, and let's, in fact, level the playing field when it comes to the deductibility. Opening up the tax deductibility without more government control would allow more private market solutions to be offered to consumers. But he would have to say something that he has not said, that's not in the Democrat bill. And here's one other thing, Neil, that's really frustrating about this. The president has been out there. The reason for this speech tonight, the president has been out there selling this reform as a health care beauty queen. The Democrats have put together a bill, H.R. 3200, that's Medicare's ugly twin sister with teeth. That's part of the problem. So he's got a huge bridge to basically try. You can't do that. He's not saying what they are. He's not selling what they are saying, and that's part of the president's problem and the Democrats' problem.
See, this is why they're afraid to argue with you, and it's not just because the sunglasses make you look menacing. Really, I mean, I'm scared just being next to you.
It's two different approaches.
I hear you. I hear you. All right, very good seeing you, my friend.
My pleasure.
Herman Cain.
Thanks,
disease can't stop this guy. Nothing.